Today I'm going to be installing Ford Performance's oil-air separator on a 2012 F-150 with the 5-liter engine. The oil-air separator from Ford Performance is perfect if you want to keep your intake clean from any excess oil vapor that can get into your engine. It's going to collect in this chamber right here and can be easily dumped out during any oil change. That excess oil vapor can lead to a carbon buildup down the road, which can lead to some damages. Designed by Ford specifically for your truck and engine, this will install directly into your PCV system. It's going to use OEM fittings and hoses for an easy install. I'll be giving it 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and expect it to take about an hour. So our first step is going to be remove this hose fitting right here. You're going to pull up on the latch, push this latch up, and pull, and then move over to the other hose. Same thing, move the latch, and pull out of the way. And then we're going to remove the electrical harness from the valve cover, push down on the latch, and pull out. And now we're going to install our oil-air separator. You just have to remove this little plastic fitting, and then we're going to attach it to our engine. Once it's in the holes, just push down, and it's in place. And now we're going to reconnect our hoses. With your oil-air separator in, we can attach our tubings. Just push down till it clicks. And then same with this, push down till it clicks. Now we're going to connect our other hose. And then same as before, push to connect till it clicks. Pull down, push till it clicks, and then install your wire harness till it clicks. Just south of $160 for this oil-air separator is definitely the most expensive we currently sell, but it's only by a few bucks. And if you're one of the people that prefer the OEM look in your truck, then it's definitely going to be worth it. As well as the install is a breeze because it's designed by the factory. And that's going to wrap up my review and install of Ford Performance's oil-air separator. You can check this out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.